Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply use your PSVR on PC. So the easiest way for us to do this is to head over Steam, and basically we have to search for the iVRY driver. So iVRY driver. And from here, you then want to get this application right here. There's going to be another version, which is going to be the driver for Steam VR that basically enables the PSVR. But of course, you could also grab the free version if you want to. So it's going to be this one, iVRY driver for Steam VR. Basically, this converts our iPhone, Android, Gear VR, Oculus, Sony PlayStation VR onto Steam VR and Oculus Rift PC VR titles without a dedicated PC VR headset, as you can see right here. So as of right now, this is the fastest and the easiest way for us to do this. So you just want to get this application, and from there you should be good to go. Connect your PSVR, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.